ChatGPT.
नाम तो सुना होगा.
So in this video, we are going to be talking about ChatGPT. I'm going to give you a walkthrough of how to use it and for what things you can use ChatGPT for. So to use ChatGPT, you need to go chat.openai.com and obviously you need to sign up. Let me sign up quickly. So after getting the verification done, you will see this. ChatGPT's dashboard is pretty simple. To know more about it, you need to go to settings and there are like two themes. One is light and second is dark. And apart from that, you can clear the chat from here. I'm going to clear it. So apart from that, you can browse with Bing. With this, you can actually get the updated information of all things which you want to search for. And apart from that, there is plugins. Now plugins can help you, for example, to read the links in which you want to get the research done. For example, last day we did research for our YouTube video and we just posted the YouTube video link there and we asked ChatGPT to analyze the link and it gave us very good strategy to move forward with. Then apart from that, there is data control obviously, which you don't need to know more about, I guess. Yeah, so moving ahead, now talking about the different things for which you can use ChatGPT for. Number one is content ideation and creation. For that, I'm going to use prompt of this. And there you go. It is so fast when it comes to completion. By the way, the input you give to ChatGPT is called prompt and the answer you get is called completion in the language of AI. Second thing you can use ChatGPT for is for the completion of your code, coding or even debugging of your code. I'm going to do it right away. I'm going to ask ChatGPT to complete, or I would say debug the code. See, it's so fast. It seems like it is so simple for ChatGPT. Another thing you can use ChatGPT for is to crack your interview. How? You can make ChatGPT your interviewer and you can ask it to take your mock interview. Let me show you. So the prompt you need to give is this and there you go. See, it started generating the output. The first question, can you tell me about your experience as a graphic designer and how it has prepared you for a senior role? I don't know the answer for this. Rejected. These were just few examples of how you can use ChatGPT. Apart from that, you can also use it for research, making strategy and also for homework. But teacher ko nahi pata chalna chahiye. I have been using AI tool for months now and one thing I understood is the prompting is the key here. The way you talk to AI is the way it will give you the output, right? For that, you need to understand different frameworks of prompting. After studying and researching for months, we have figured out top prompting framework which will help you to get the most out of any AI tool out there. And to help you with that, we are giving away our free ebook to understand all about AI and how you can utilize it for your betterment. This ebook is only free for first 200 people who opts in. So grab one for yourself. The link is in the description and I will see you in the next one.